Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix CapCut templates not showing in TikTok. So let's get started. So if you can't find your CapCut templates on TikTok and you want to fix that, so to fix that, what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is you have to check your internet connection, and after doing that, open up your Play Store. After opening up your Play Store, now in search bar you can search for TikTok. And after searching for that, you have to check if your TikTok has an update. So if you do have an update, what you can do is just simply update it. It is because if you haven't updated, that means you have not accessed any new features, and you might face the old problems, and then you can't access that feature. So what you can do is just simply go ahead and update it, and after updating it, you should fix your problem. And after updating it, you just have to check if that fixed your problem. So if that does not fix your problem, then what you can do is follow the other steps. So what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen, and after coming back to your home screen, now you just have to head over to your TikTok application, and then tap and hold on your TikTok, and then tap on this eye icon, which is app info. After tapping on that, now it will take you to your app info section. From here, you just have to tap on storage and cache, and then clear your cache. So by clearing cache, you will fix any issues or bugs that are in your TikTok. So simply go ahead and clear the cache, and after clearing the cache, you should fix your problem. But if you still doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply delete and reinstall your TikTok, and by doing that, you should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.